The Kemper Indoor Ventilation System, KemJet, in use at the Dutch company Holland Lift International. When welding only small sections and changing welding positions, adjustment of the captrode is often not possible. This applies also to welding work at large workpieces with various heights or environments with often changing smoke or dust sources. For those situations, Kemper offers the right general ventilation system. Those can be used as a supportive measure. The indoor ventilation system, KemJet, is working following the mixed flow principle. The unit consists of the actual suction and filter unit, suction duct, and blowout piece with high-performance nozzles. Variable ducting length allows different blower heights. The blowout angle of the individual nozzles can be adjusted by 30 degrees. The fresh air distribution is adaptable to the location of the plant. The KemJet is available in 3 different sizes. Depending on the emission levels of your factory, Kemper will work out the best suitable general ventilation solution. Due to the standalone principle of the KemJet, the installation is particularly fast and easy. The KemJet captures the contaminated air via suction ducts next to the filter units. The ducts will be installed on the left, the right, or on both sides. Subsequently, the air is filtered in the filter unit. Above the suction duct, the high-performance nozzles blow the cleaned air back into the workshop. Depending on the type of KemJet, nozzles follow a range of up to 45 meters. The clean air is distributed completely around the room. Layers of smoke disappear. Due to the recirculation of the cleaned air, the savings on heating costs in winter are considerable. Kemper, the right partner for extraction technology and health and safety.